And to discuss more about where the markets are headed, I'm now being joined by Kunal Bothra, who's our in-house expert. Kunal, hi, and thanks so much for joining us today. Yet another record high on the Nifty for the fourth straight day in a row. Tell us, how is this record high different from other highs, and is this bull run sustaining? Do you see this run continuing going ahead as well?
Well, absolutely. I think it's a lot more different than the previous attempts where the index managed to break past about the 22,000, 22,100 mark. And the more solid reason for this time around is the support of large cap names. Look at today's market texture in the slew of large cap stocks which led the rally. It started off from the likes of Maruti looking quite strong, then Reliance Industries, ITC, Bajaj Auto, and I think so many of the other larger cap names from different sectors managed to participate quite well for themselves. So I think that's a very hearty sign. And we've seen historically that whenever moves are supported by large cap stocks, they tend to sustain, build, as well as they manage to be a lot more stronger move for the indices. Now the difference this time around is also that the mid caps and small cap indices so far have not come closer to their 52-week highs, which means we could probably be at a point where the the benchmark indices may slowly and gradually move up higher on the back of large cap stocks, and the portfolios may tend to underperform if it's more skewed towards the mid caps and small caps. So I think it's better now to start looking at adding more large cap stocks in terms of portfolio perspective as well as from a trading angle.
Kunal, that was a consensus which is coming in also that clearly market is not able to show the strength, but then of course it was a buy on dips market. But then the way banks and financials have not performed today, however broader market, mid cap and small cap, they did come back. What are the picks that you're looking at? Are you choosing something from the broader markets only?
No, I'm choosing from the large cap names. In fact, one of the sectors which I would be very bullish on from here on would be from the auto pack, and two buy calls from the large cap auto space. One would be a buy on M&M. The stock is already perched at a fresh 52-week high, trading about the 1900 levels. But I think it's a phenomenal chart for the stock. Excellent momentum the stock has regained in the last 1 week or so. So expecting another 80 to 100 points up move for M&M, targets of 2000, stop loss at 1850. And Tata Motors is the other stock which I'll be very bullish on. It's completing a triangular pattern on the hourly charts, and it's almost like a 60 to 70 pointer pattern for Tata Motors. So expecting a target of 980 approximately, stop loss to be kept at 900.
All right, Kunal, thanks for sharing your views and as well as your stock specific picks. With that, we'll let you go. But